Okay, kids. So this is what. Can you see the screen, by the way?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is what we played yesterday. 17 moves were done. White played
No, sir,
h3.
15.
No,
15 moves were done.
no, yes, yes. You have missed some moves in that case. You can
16
cross check.
moves, right, sir? Sir, 16 moves are done.
16 are done. 17th move, white played h3. Okay, and now it is black's turn.
Your turn, me. Me, your turn, sir.
Okay, all of you.
H3, right, sir? H3, sir, right?
Right. So all of you are on the same page.
Yes, sir. Sir, did the black play or no?
No, black will now play. If you are ready, I will make my move.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Ready.
Okay, Aryan ready?
Yes, sir.
Nivan ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So queen captures c4.
Sir, wait. Q cross C4.
Now it's your turn.
Now what I play, what I play.
No, wait. Nivan, have to wait now because sir is going to capture our rook and give check.
No.
Oh, the
No.
queen will get captured. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
see.
Yes, sir. But it was.
No, yeah, I thought that there was support.
We have to put on the king. But I got the idea. We can win the black beater when support on another book and support on another book.
Wait. I have
Idea?
no.
Sir, bishop to b3. No.
Bishop to B3.
B is d2.
Yeah, bishop to B3 is a good move.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sir,
sir.
yeah. Good move. Right.
Okay,
Sir,
so you want to.
BB3.
Okay, great. Bishop to b3. Good move, by the way.
BB3.
Yes. Now what will black play now?
Where you will obviously move your queen.
Yeah, but where? That's the question, right?
Oh yeah, it looks almost trapped. Sir, you can move it to C5. C5, sir. Q D4, right?
Queen to d4, yes.
Q D4. Now it's our turn. You cannot move. Pawn to G4. G4, sir. Nivan, Aryan, is it fine? G4. Pawn to G4.
No.
Okay. Let's
Wait.
wait. Sir, pawn to D6. Pawn to D6.
Pawn to bishop to e3.
I thought so, Aryan. You will make this move. Okay.
B3.
Okay.
Yes, sir. B3. Fine.
Is this fine, kids?
Yes, sir.
And support is also there,
Yes,
and you
sir.
cannot stop.
Bishop to E3.
My goodness. Are you going to capture my queen or what? Kids.
Yes, sir. But sir, this is true, right? In a game, because when I've played with my parents, I've found this situation many times. If you give check and you think it's checkmate and it's not checkmate, the king is free. Then if he gets free one time, he'll get free every time. It will become little difficult.
Right. Okay, let us see now. What is the escape route?
Yes. Now, sir's queen is almost trapped.
What if I
Almost.
capture this? Queen captures b2.
Sir, queen cross b2, right?
Yes.
Cross b2. Sir, move a rook.
Everyone.
Sir, no, wait. No, it will obviously not capture the bishop because support is there.
Sure.
Sir, rook to e1.
The queen.
Sir, rook to e1. Rook to e1.
Okay. Nivan, what are you saying?
B1.
Okay.
b1
Yes,
now.
rook a to b1 he is suggesting. Again, attack on the queen.
Okay, yeah, fine. But no, if you leave the rook or there also, it can't capture, right? Support is there from the other rook.
There too. I know how to white. But we need to white.
Yeah, sir, RB1, right?
White.
Yeah, kids, hold on. Now, here some learning here, okay, kids. If you look at this, both the rooks can come to b1, right? So if you just say rook b1, it will be confusing, right? So in this case, what you will do, you will write rook a b1. Okay, what it says? Right. What it says? Rook from a file goes to b file at first rank. Okay. Rook a b1.
RAB1.
Correct. Capital R, small a, small b, 1. Okay, now.
Sir, is this nonsense?
What?
Why would you write RAB1?
To attack on the queen. To attack on the queen.
Sir, it's your turn now.
Leave the queen. We only will attack the queen from every pieces of us. We will not leave the queen. We'll keep attacking the queen till we get that queen.
QE2.
Hold on, I have not played, kids, okay? If I do,
QE2.
So you can play a C3. So queen to C3.
Sir, it's your turn. QE2. QE2, right? Now it's our turn.
Now I got another idea to do. Now put the king rook to E1.
The king rook to
E1. This. Let's play.
fine. RE1. Sir, now you have to
RF
write
E1. RF E1.
RFE1.
Correct.
Okay, fine. No, nothing. Sir, Nivan's was a very good move, right?
Now the queen will come out of that box.
QX5. So you're only moving your queen. You're not moving any other pieces.
Yeah, because you guys are behind the queen, right?
Huh?
You are attacking on the queen, right?
Attacking the queen. That's why.
Now you
Sir?
won't be able to, right?
Bishop to D1. Attack on the queen.
Yeah, I know. I knew. Aryan, good move. This is good move.
B D.
Till we're attacking the queen. Till we
Okay.
get
Bishop D1.
attack.
Again attacking. Okay. Now let us see what happens.
Sir, your turn.
Now you are trapped.
Sir, QH7.
Queen H7. Yes.
QH7. Now it's our turn. Sir, bishop to C2.
Are you sure?
No.
It will get captured, Yashas.
Oh yeah. So it can attack on the queen.
So now I write down. Now we will not attack.
Right.
Yeah.
Again attack.
Going to it.
E2. Bishop to
Sir, pawn to
Bishop to C2.
Bishop, what you said, Aryan?
Bishop to
B.
Bishop B3. What is your idea, Nivan? Why do you want to play bishop to B3?
Oh, the book file is locked.
because
Oh, I got the idea. We can put the bishop on A4 to sacrifice the bishop.
A4.
Yeah.
sir,
no, sir. No, not A4, sir.
sir, then we can capture the bishop. The other bishop can capture, then we will capture the rook.
Correct. Good idea. So you want to play bishop to A4, kids?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Bishop A4. Okay. Now.
Sir, you're not gonna capture our bishop. You're gonna move your bishop.
Can I
no,
move the bishop? I cannot. Correct.
Oh yeah, you cannot move. Otherwise, there will be a check.
Correct. What else can be done then? Let us.
Only capture. Only you can capture, nothing else.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Let me
You can
first
capture only.
save my rook. Okay, I'm moving my rook to D.
Sir, so R D8, right?
Yes. Rook to D8. Okay. Why did I play the rook? By the way, kids, if you look at, if I would have captured the bishop, you would have captured my rook. Correct?
But sir, both are getting points, right? But it will be unequal. 3
Right.
5.
Correct. So I want to save my rook. Okay. That's why I played rook. Correct? Now it's your turn, kids.
Okay, sir. It's our turn. Sir, capture the bishop.
Okay.
No. That is not the good.
Sir, capture the bishop.
Okay, Yashas, I heard your input. Let us see what others are saying, Aryan and Nivan. Yashas is suggesting to capture the bishop with bishop.
Yeah.
Okay. So, Aryan, are you okay with it?
Queen capture pawn.
Aryan, are you okay?
No. The knight cannot capture bishop.
Oh yeah, knight can capture. Don't, sir, don't capture it.
In any case, it will get captured, right? Rook will capture, knight will capture, king will capture.
No, wait. Sir, wait. No, because it will be exchange equal. 3-3. 3-3. It will be exchange equal. It will be exchange equal, sir. Capture.
Capture C7. Capture C7.
Okay, you want to capture the pawn?
No, I want to move my bishop away.
No, Nivan, if you move your bishop away, then the decent bishop can come out. If you keep your bishop on A4, there will be a check so that the bishop cannot come out.
B4.
C4?
B4.
Rook to B4. Okay.
Rook to?
This is what you are saying, Nivan?
Or C4. Rook to C4, sir.
Rook cannot come to C4, yes, right? Rook can come to B4.
Yeah, B4.
Is this what you are proposing?
You can play E6.
Okay, be fast, kids. Decide and tell. Aryan, you are not saying anything? Thinking?
Yes, I'm thinking.
Bring the bishop on A7.
Sir, bishop to C2.
Bishop to C2.
Then attack on the...
Aryan, it will get captured.
Knight check. Not to attack.
It will get captured. There is no force.
I got the idea.
Okay, hold on, kids. Be silent. Yes, Nivan, what is your idea?
Let's capture the A4, A7 pawn.
A7 pawn. You want to capture this pawn?
No, from the bishop.
Yes, sir.
From the bishop, E3 bishop, capture the pawn.
Okay, with bishop, you want to capture the pawn?
Yes.
Okay, good idea.
Okay, sir. Yeah. B cross A7.
Okay. Bishop captures A7.
B cross A7.
Wait, sir.
What is your idea, sir?
B cross BA4. B cross BA4. Okay.
Bishop capture.
Sir, capture the pawn on C7 with queen. Capture the pawn on C7. Yes, sir.
No. Put the bishop on B8. Put the bishop on B8.
Sir, no, capture it. Capture the... Yeah, no. Sir, bishop to B8. Bishop to B8. Yes, sir, BB8. BB8. Sir, BB8. Sir, this game is getting tougher and tougher.
Now you have no option. So you need to just capture the apple. Bishop rook.
Sir, there are only are done.
25 moves are done.
Wait. Sir, it's your turn. You have to play. After after bishop to b8, you have to play.
Yes. I'm thinking.
You're thinking. No, I'm not.
This much time for thinking. In chess game, you have clocks, right? Sir, in the real chess game, there will be clocks, right?
Yes.
Only till 30 moves. We are just left with a bishop, 5 pawns, 2 rooks, and 1 king. Sir, it's your turn, so you have to play now.
You're thinking, Judge. So play.
Yes, playing.
Sir, play fast.
Just give me a minute, yeah. Okay, done.
Sir, what did you play? Rook to d7. Okay, it's our turn now. Sir, queen to c8, check.
No, sir.
No, sir, don't move that, sir.
Okay, you
Sir,
don't
don't
want
move.
to play that?
No. Sir, rook to e3.
No.
No, Nivan, see, if we move the rook to e3, in the next move, we'll move it to f3 and then we'll give check. It will be a checkmate. Nivan.
What?
If we move it to e3, then in the next move after surplus, we move it to f3 and then we'll move the queen to c8 and give a check. It will be a checkmate.
What I cannot understand.
Sir, rook to e3.
He's saying
Sir,
put
rook
the
to
rook
e3.
to e3 and then give the check. And when the
No,
king comes here, give the check from here. That's what you are saying, right, Yashas?
No, sir.
Then?
First move. Wait. I'll tell you. First move the rook to here.
E5.
Then after you play, then move the rook to here, and after moving it here, then give the check.
Okay, right.
No, first capture the knight.
Okay,
That is the best move.
Sir, rook to e3.
Not. Oh, what you will do? First capture the knight from the book. That is the. No,
Okay.
no, sir. No.
Sir, rook
Capture
to
the
e3.
No.
Hold on, kids.
Queen will capture rook.
Right, one by one. Okay. Think and then play, kids. Think and then play.
We will capture a book, sir.
No hurry, okay? It's your turn.
Queen to 8.
sir.
Rook to e3.
Sir, yeah, no.
Sir, Aryan is also saying rook to
Cannot
e3.
buy any option, sir. So I need to only play before.
Sir, rook to play. Sir, play rook to e3.
Before.
Rook b4.
No, sir.
Yeah,
Rook to e3.
the bishop is gone.
Sir, rook to e3. Sir, play rook to e3.
Yashas,
No.
if you are playing rook to e3 and then hoping, Yashas, can you look at here? And then hoping to come here, okay, it will get captured. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but instead of that, Nivan is suggesting to bring the rook here so that it will attack on the bishop.
Also, we will play e3. The queen will first capture rook.
Okay, sir, rook to b4.
Okay.
Rook to b4. Okay.
Sir, what did you play?
I have not.
Sir, now it is your turn.
Right.
Play. Sir, knight and d3. Sir, rook to a4. Rook captures a4 bishop.
So we cannot find any option now. This section of queen, that is a good option.
Now check.
No,
Why would you give check now?
sir, no. So move backwards.
What?
Move backwards, sir. To that. Move the black turn.
Sir, did you... Wait. It's not both rooks. Sir,
Oh,
this
yes.
is both.
Yes, yes, hold on. Nivan, what are you saying?
Give section of queen now. This is a difficult now. That's
Okay, you want to give check?
yeah.
You don't want to capture this?
No.
Sir, wait. Sir, R. No. Q C8 plus sign, right?
Okay, kids. Let me corrupt this.
Sir, the game is getting very tough.
Queen
For everyone.
C8 plus. Okay, now I have to play this because I have to save the
R
king.
D8, right?
Yes. Rook to D8. Now it's your turn, kids. By the way, think and then play. In the real game, we cannot take the moves back. Okay, kids?
So I got the option now. We can do a rook sacrifice. Rook capture e7.
Rook
That
captures.
is a good move. Rook captured e7.
Okay. Why do you want to sacrifice your rook?
And the checkmate rules is art. The checkmate is done.
Okay. Are you sure? Kids, are you with it? Are you with Nivan? He wants to capture
No,
this.
sir. No, sir.
Yes.
Our rook will get captured.
Yeah. Yeah, the bishop is there.
Bishop will
I thought
capture.
the king will
King.
capture.
In any case, even if the king captures, what is your plan then?
The king will capture. We can put the queen. Each the checkmate.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Good plan, by the way. But there is a bishop, Nivan. Okay. Your thought was good, but there is bishop. So he said if bishop is not there and if we capture this, it gives check. Okay. King captures and it will be checkmate with from queen. Although good thought, yeah, good thought, but there is a bishop. So always look for all the pieces available, okay? Otherwise, it was just kind of free sacrifice.
Yes, sir.
Now that we need to move the bishop away, then we can do that. But what the king will do?
Okay, kids, think properly and decide what to play now next.
Sure, we can capture on C7.
Sir, rook.
C7.
Sir, rook. Sir,
C7. Queen capture C7. Queen capture C7.
Okay.
Cross C7. Q cross C7. Sir,
Q
Q
cross
cross
C7.
C7, right?
Now I got the idea
N
now.
cross
Now we will play digit.
N cross
Digit.
R
Digit.
Yes, Nivan, what are you saying?
Digit.
oh.
Okay, you want to play D6.
Yeah.
No, sir, don't
Yes,
play. Don't
yes,
play
yes.
D6. No, sir, don't play D6. No, who told D6?
Play.
No, Nivan, can't you see in the next move, sir will move his knight to A6, then both bishop and queen. So better in this move the queen so that when the knight comes to
Yes,
knight comes,
yes,
you can
first
move
of
her
all,
bishop.
yes, first of all, think what he is suggesting, okay? If you play this, it is attacking on the pawn, okay? Pawn cannot move because there will be check, correct? So pawn cannot capture this pawn, correct? Now in the next move, his plan is capture this either with rook or with pawn, okay? And after this, it will be a checkmate, correct? Because there will be the pawn support. So,
No, my idea.
yes.
My idea is rook capture E7, bishop
Okay,
captures that,
Okay, fine,
and
sir.
queen
Yes.
capture bishop.
Correct, correct.
D6.
Okay, good
D6.
idea. So are you with him? Are you with Nivan?
Yes, sir, D6. D6. Sir, D6.
Okay, good move, Nivan.
The game is being difficult and difficult and difficult.
The game is getting difficult. By every move, difficult. And sir, and D5, right? Leon, I told you not to do that move. Now see, sir gives threat
Now
for
what we
queen.
can do? Oh.
Sir gives threat for queen. I told you not to do that move.
Now we can capture that rook with a queen.
Oh, there is threat to your queen. Will you just leave your queen?
It will get captured, Niman. Why are you saying, will the king not capture it?
Yeah, it will capture. The bishop is gone now. The white bishop. What
Sir,
What?
queen to b7. Sir,
Queen
Oh,
queen to b7.
Joe, I got the idea. Put the queen on g4, attacking the bishop and attacking the knight. Now,
Okay, good.
who will you save? That I want to do.
Nivan, where should we put the queen? Okay, yes, sir. QC1. I mean QC4.
Yeah. Who you will get now?
One thing. Now there is one problem. Sir, there is a very good move. You can move your bishop to b3. So that if we capture knight, then you can capture queen. But we can capture your bishop in that case. Not good. Sir, what did you capture?
Bishop.
R cross B, right? R cross B B8. R cross B B8. Sir, wait, Nivan, what should we capture? The knight or the bishop? Because both value is 3 only. What should we capture? Knight or bishop?
Bishop.
What should we capture?
Bishop. And say bishop. Bishop.
Yeah, bishop. Yes, sir.
Check 2.
Q cross BA4, BA4 and a plus sign. Q. Capture sir's queen somehow. Then only the game will be easy.
Now we need to be careful that some move.
Sir, KF7, right? KF7. KF7.
Okay, kids, it is less than a minute. Okay, so the meeting will end. You play this move and we will stop.
We continue the game in next class.
Yes.
Again.
Let me save this. Okay, we will continue the game in the next class. Very nice going on, kids. You are playing very nicely. Okay.
Yeah, put the queen on g4, quick.